Good morning. My name is Pravalika. I am from Keshareddy Concept School, Andhra Pradesh. My project name is Biodiversity. Biodiversity means variety of life on Earth. It includes all species of plants, animals, microorganisms, their genetic material, and also the ecosystem of which they form a part. Biodiversity is very important to us because it is the foundation of life on Earth. But what's happening nowadays, we are losing our biodiversity due to many reasons like loss of habitat. Due to overpopulation, to meet the need of every growing human population, forests are being converted into agricultural lands and the trees are being cut for the purpose of timber, for construction of irrigation canals, dams and for mining. So forests are being cut. By this, the animals are losing their habitat. Next one, pollution. The gases released from factories, grazing of cows, from ACs, refrigerators, they are causing global warming. This global warming shows its effect on migratory birds. The migratory birds change their migratory patterns and reach their breeding grounds at an improper time. By this, they lose the interaction with the plants and they may not get food. This leads to their extinction. Next one is monoculture. Monoculture means growing of. Next one is monoculture. Monoculture means growing of single strains of crop in single piece of land. Nowadays, agriculture has been incorporated into global economy. Previously, farmers used to grow different strains of crops, but nowadays they are growing only single strain to get high yield and disease-resistant varieties. But these crops are not resistant to all diseases. If one plant gets affected by the disease of which it is not resistant, then the total crop will be affected and this leads to the extinction of particular species. Next one, uses of synthetic fertilizers. These synthetic fertilizers along with harmful bacteria also kills the useful microorganisms which activate the nutrient cycle. So by this we are losing the microbial diversity. Next one, hunting, invasive alien species. These are all the reasons for the loss of our biodiversity. So as it is our duty to conserve our natural resources, here we have some preventive measures. First one, in order to conserve land, we have hydroponics. You can see there, that one. Hydroponics means growing of crops in nutrient solution without using soil. In that, unique simplified hydroponics method is a type of hydroponics which totally concentrates on village available waste material. So, let us see the preparation of this. First, we have to take a tray containing organic matter and holes. We have to germinate lettuce seedlings, mean cabbage seedlings. So, let them be germinated for a few days. Meanwhile, we have to prepare a nutrient medium using chicken manure. So we have to take bed of poultry along with chicken manure. This bed of poultry will be the source of carbon and manure will be the source of nitrogen. We have to take it in the ratio of 3:1. After that, it is subjected to temperature of 130 degrees to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. 150 degrees Fahrenheit because to kill harmful microorganisms. It also should be, that temperature should not exceed 160 degrees Fahrenheit because it also kills the useful microorganisms. So this one is allowed to heat for 3 days. After 3 days, it is allowed to cool. After that, it is allowed to cure for 45 to 60 days. After 60 days, we have to transplant the germinated lettuce seedlings into this and we have to grow them. This is a good method, I mean eco-friendly method, and the chicken manure will provide nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium to the crops which are the primary nutrients and the crop yield will be very good. Next one, instead of monoculture, we have to go for polyculture. Polyculture is a remedy to monoculture. Polyculture means growing of different strains of crops in single piece of land so that it imitates the natural diversity of natural ecosystem and also the nutrient cycles found in the nature. So polyculture is of different types like intercropping, strip cropping, alley cropping, companion planting. These are all the different types of polyculture. Next one, instead of synthetic fertilizers, we have to go for organic fertilizers and chicken manure. Actually, we use the chicken manure for hydroponics, that means as a nutrient medium. Here we can apply it directly also. Next one, the world's best method is zero budget spiritual farming. Zero budget spiritual farming. Zero budget spiritual farming means the cost of production is zero. That means it is based on the fact that our soil contains nutrients, but these nutrients are not in the available form. So we will make the non-availability form into availability form by adding microorganisms in the form of Jeevamrita, Bijamrita, Neemastra, Brahmastra, Agniastra. These are different types of organic fertilizers. We supply the microorganisms to that field. That microorganisms will activate nutrient cycle and that nutrients will be absorbed by the plants. By this, we can get a good yield. Let us see an example. Zero budget, no till rice farming. So before 15 days of harvest, when the paddy crop is standing, we have to broadcast Bijamrita treated seeds of pulses. Next, after harvest, during harvest, that seedlings will be crushed. But again they stand up and grow. After the harvest, in March, let us see in March. In March, the seedlings will grow. Then we will harvest them also. After harvesting, we have to return the remains, waste material to the field and we have to mulch it. Then we have to apply Jeevamrita periodically for 3 months. After 3 months, we have to grow the seedlings of paddy which are treated with Bijamrita. The crop yield will be very good and it is an eco-friendly method. So, and next, we should scrub our greed for animal products like fur, skin, hides, all these things, and we have to take the animals which are going to become extinct into national parks and we have to breed them under controlled conditions. Then only we can improve our biodiversity. Biodiversity, it's your life, so protect it.
What's your ambition?
My ambition is to become a doctor.